Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkanta Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today I will conduct the practical number 5 compression test on of ductile material and practical number 6 compression test of brittle material. Both practical procedure is same, so I am taking the procedure. Practical significance. The unaxial compression test provides the knowledge of failure pattern in ductile material. It also provides the information about the yield and ultimate compressive strength, which is further utilized in designing and manufacturing the component with the same material. Increase in the lateral dimension due to the compression can be compared to the reduction in lateral dimension. In case of the tensile loading, the contraction of the linear side also can be studied, which is in a contrast to the extension in a tensile test. The material which are strong in tensile strength may not be strong in compression. The mechanical properties of a material are also of a great significance in compression. Relevant program outcomes. PO number 1, basic knowledge. Applying the knowledge of basic mathematics, science and basic engineering to solve the board-based mechanical engineering problems. PO number 3, experiment and practice. Plan to perform the experiment and practice to use the result to solve board-based mechanical engineering problem. PO number 4, engineering tools. Apply the relevant mechanical technology and tools with the understanding of the limitations. PO number 7, ethics. Applying ethical principle for the commitment of the professional ethics, responsibility and the norms of the practice also in the field of the mechanical engineering. PO number 8, individual and teamwork. Function effectively as the leader and a team member in diverse and multidisciplinary teams. PO number 7, communication. Communicate effectively in oral and written form. Next page. Competency and skill. This practical is expected to develop the following skill of the industry: identify the competency, estimate the stress in a structural member and mechanical properties of material, selection of a suitable material for a given loading, handling of the instrument, interpretation of the result, setting up the instrument. Relevant course outcome: estimate the simple stresses in a machine component, performance test to evaluate the mechanical properties according to the Indian standard. Practical outcome: calculate the compressive strength of ductile materials such as mild steel, aluminum, brass, copper using the compression test as per machine IS Indian standard 14858. Second, for brittle, calculate the compressive strength of a brittle material such as cast iron using the compression test machine as per Indian standard IS 14858. Both machines are same, but we are doing the experiment on mild steel and cast iron. For mild steel it will be a ductile and cast iron it will be brittle. This is a block diagram. In block diagram we will see that there is one upper head, middle one is a movable cross head and bottom part will be a lower cross head. So machine is having one control unit. Control unit is having a load indicator, speed control valve and load control knob. Okay, so you may see the diagram which I have shown. See, there is a movable crosshead and lower and bottom there is a lower crosshead. In between that the specimen is kept, and in both the specimen we put the dial gauge for measuring the load. Okay, I will show the dial gauge. See the dial gauge figure. Resource required: compression testing machine, suggested board specification, digital display, manual control, compression test. Machine maximum kilonewton is 2000. Okay, measuring range is 4%, 100% of the FS, factor of safety. Okay, ductile specimen MS, aluminum, brass, copper, or you can take cast iron. Okay, for dial gauge with a suitable stand. Okay, I have a dial gauge with stand, they have said. Compression dial gauge least count is 0.01 mm and measuring range of dial gauge width from 1 mm to 20 mm, or you can take more. Okay, vernier caliper we need, which least count is 0.02 mm and measuring range is 0.02 mm to 150 mm. Okay, all the things we have needed in quantity 1. Precautions to be followed: avoid over accelerating of the CTM and maintain the proper rate of the loading. Place the sample exactly in the center of the lower crosshead. The sample should be a short column having a smooth cross section exactly perpendicular to the length. At the time of the operation, keep safe distance from the machine or use the cage. Okay, I have shown the material mild steel. After compression, it will you will see that how the material is compressed. And cast iron also, I have taken a rectangular section, but after compression the bottom part is getting thicker than, and upper part is getting thinner. Okay, in compression test I will show you one video. Okay, you have do the look of that video. Okay, there is a setup, see the video. This is specimen. Okay, lower is finished. You may saw that how the material is getting compressed. So after getting compressed, you may see the result. I have shown the figures also, picture also. For mild steel, you may see how the material is getting compressed, and for cast iron, you may see how the material is getting compressed. Okay, cast iron is for brittle and mild steel is for ductile. Conclusion: the result of this experiment shows that the specimen undergoes the ductile fracture and brittle fracture, which conclude that the mild steel is ductile material and cast iron is brittle material. Also, in order to obtain the better result, the experiment should be done carefully and use the calibrated instrument to avoid the errors, to estimate the stress in structural member and mechanical properties of the material. Thank you.